Yeah, better get rid of this shit.
Yeah, hurry up. Man, just put it down, man. Get rid of it, man. Oh, shit, with the border, man. Shit. Oh, look at Hey, get rid of it! Not that way, man. Throw it out. Throw it out.
This is Toyota Kawasaki here at the Mexican-United States border, where a huge task force of narcotic and custom agents is preparing a surprise welcome for a vehicle which they say is constructed entirely of high-grade marijuana.
Don't make that face, man. It made me laugh. Okay. Just let me do all the talking, man. I got
Good afternoon, sisters.
Good afternoon, officer.
How long have you been in Mexico?